Hello childrens, open your book Sparkle, page number 58. Lesson 5, Pronouns replacing words. Let's learn. Read the following sentences. Anita is a girl. Anita likes oranges. Anita is tall. Second sentence is Anita is a girl. She likes oranges. She is tall. In the sentence A, Anita is repeated in every sentences. Okay. Whereas in sentence B, Anita is replaced by she. Okay. So words that replace nouns or come in their place is called pronouns. They help us not to repeat the same nouns. So what is the pronouns? The words that replace nouns or come in the place are called pronouns. Okay. And they help us not to repeat the same nouns. Okay. So some pronouns are personal and are used for the pupils. They are called personal nouns. What is the personal noun? Some nouns are personal and they are used for the pupils. Okay. And these are the three kinds: first person, second person and third person. Let's understand. First person pronouns are used while talking about self in singular, that is I, or plural, that is we. Okay. I, me, mine, my, we, our, ours, us are all the personal pronouns in the first person. Now come to quick activity. Then you will understand it properly. Okay. Rewrite the following using personal pronouns in the first person. I bought this car. This car is mine. This car is mine. Okay. We wrote this book. So what will be the personal pronouns? We wrote this book. This book is written by me. Okay. That plot belongs to us. This plot is ours. Okay. Let's understand second person pronouns. Tell us about you in singular and plural. You, your and yours are the personal pronouns in a second person. Quick activity. Rewrite the following using personal pronouns in a second person. This is your book. This book is your. This book is your. This dress belongs to you. So what will be the personal pronouns in the second person? This dress belongs to you. This is yours. This is yours. This is your dress. That house belongs to you. That is yours house. Those are your pens. Those pens are yours. Okay. Let's understand. Third person pronouns are he, she, it in a singular and they, them in a plural, telling us about others. He, his, it, its, she, her, hers, they, their, theirs are all personal pronouns in a third person. Here third person's pronouns are he, she, it in a singular and they, them in a plural form. Okay. Now quick activity. Rewrite the sentence using a suitable personal pronouns in a third person. This is Anita. So what will be the suitable personal pronoun in a third person for this? This is Anita. She is lovely girl. She is a lovely girl. That is Nimit. Dash is naughty boy. He is a naughty boy. This bag is Namita's. This bag is Namita's. So what will be the personal pronoun for this? It is her bag. It is her bag. That box is Ajay's. That is his box. These things belongs to Neera and Reena. These things belongs to Neera and Reena. These are her thing. This is Ajay and Namita's house. This house is theirs. 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 This house is theirs. This is parrot sitting on a branch of a tree. So what will be the pronouns for the third person is he is green in color but his beak is red. Okay. So we have completed the personal pronouns. Now let's do underline the pronouns in the following sentences. She has a red ball. So here the pronoun is she. He gave me his favorite book to read. So pronoun is he and me. We are going to see the Qutub Minar. So here the pronoun is we. They play football every evening. So they is again the pronouns. We won the match. We is pronouns. We are going for a picnic today. So we is again the pronoun. He met his friend in the market. He is pronoun and his friend is again the pronoun. This is my book. This is pronoun and my is again pronoun. Okay. Paste the picture of your family and write the 2 sentences about each members using the pronouns. For example, this is my mother and her name is Nalini. So you have to paste the picture of your family here and write the 2 sentences of each family members using the pronouns like that. Okay, this is your homework. Paste the picture of your family here and write the 2 sentences using the pronouns here. Okay, now come to the next one. Replace the underlined words with the pronouns. Divya is very intelligent. Divya stood first in class. So what will become here? Divya is very intelligent and she stood first in class. Okay. This grocery bag is very heavy. It cannot carry the grocery bag. So write the sentences. This grocery bag is very heavy. I cannot carry it. Mr. Khan is a film star. Mr. Khan is very handsome. So write here, Mr. Khan is a film star as it is, and he is very handsome. Okay, Mr. Khan is film star and he is very handsome. Mary and I friends. Mary and I play together. So write here, Mary and I are the friend as it is, and we play together. Mary and I are friends and we play together. This dog is very fluffy. I love to hold this dog. Right here, this dog is very fluffy. I love to hold him. I love to hold him. This dog is very fluffy and I love to hold him in place of this dog. Okay. My mother promised to bake a cake, but mother forgot. My mother promised to bake a cake, right, as it is, but she forgot. My mother promised to bake a cake, but she forgot. Atul sing very well. I like to hear Atul sing. So in the place of Atul, what will become here? His. Atul sing very well. I like to hear his sing. Atul sing very well. I like to hear his sing. Okay. Sohail studied in my class. Sohail is very naughty. So write here similar sentence. Sohail studied in my class, and in place of Sohail write here he is very naughty. Sohail studied in my class and he is very naughty. Now fill in the blanks with the proper pronouns. John is playing football. I am sure he will score a goal. He will score a goal. Rahul Singh wails. He is taking music lesson. He is taking music lesson. The children are very excited. They are going for a class picnic. I have a cat. She is very naughty. Mary and I are going sailing. Would you like to come with us? My neighbors are very nice pupils. They always give me sweets. Right here, they always give me sweets. India is our country and we all are Indians. We all are Indians. I invited Mala to my dance party because she enjoyed dancing. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Aditya is a student of class 3rd. He is a tall and charming boy. Nimit, Nishit and Vijay are our friends. They play chess and badminton with us. This house is very near to the park. their house is very near to the park. There are many flowers in the park. Aditya also has a garden in front of his house. He has a number of rose plants. His father has collected many type of rose plants from all over India. Mrs. Sheena is Aditya's mother. She is a doctor. She takes care of her patients and her family very well. Understand? We have fill all the suitable pronouns in this fill in the blanks. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.